So many of you have asked me what are the best smartphones to buy in the 20 to 30,000 rupee price range. There are many smartphones to choose from, both old and new. But in this video, I am going to tell you about just 4 smartphones that you can get for around 25,000 rupees that are best in the Android space right now as of February 2018. You're watching India Today Tech. Let's get started. The top phone on our list is the Moto Z2 Play. Of course, there is a cheaper version available in the form of Moto X4 that is also water resistant, but we'll recommend you get the Moto Z2 Play mainly because of its 3 major plus points. Firstly, it has a 5.5-inch display packed in a very premium and thin metal unibody design. You get an AMOLED screen which has very good brightness levels, and then there is the nearly stock Android Nougat interface with the promise of Android Oreo update real soon. We have compared its performance to various smartphones in this price range, and we have found it to be very fast and very smooth with almost no app crashes, no app lags. Even the games run without any stutter. You get a very similar experience as you get on flagships like the OnePlus 5T, but in a smaller form factor and at a cheaper price tag. A very unique thing about the Moto Z2 Play is also its great battery life and the fact that you can add Moto mods to it. There are a variety of accessories that you can attach to the phone and extend its usability. The second option that you can consider is the Honor 8 Pro. It has a Quad HD display and a dual camera at the back that works wonderfully. The only thing that made me put the Moto Z2 Play before the Honor 8 Pro is the stock Android interface and the fingerprint sensor that is placed at the front on the Moto phone. The battery backup on the Honor 8 Pro is also quite amazing despite the fact that it runs a Quad HD screen. The Honor 8 Pro runs the older EMUI version, but it will still be upgraded real soon to Android Oreo based EMUI 8, and even with the older software, the Honor 8 Pro was a very fast phone, as fast as the Moto Z2 Play. Another way to put it is that if you want a more rounded phone for your daily use, you'll get the Moto Z2 Play. But if you want it for multimedia consumption and you want to click better photos as well from your phone, the Honor 8 Pro would be the first choice. Now many of you have also asked me if they should buy a Samsung phone in this price range, and the answer to this is the Samsung Galaxy C7 Pro. The phone is quite old and runs the older TouchWiz interface built on Android Marshmallow, but it's not a slow phone. Unlike many other Samsung phones, the C7 Pro has a very fast interface, probably because it runs a Snapdragon chipset and has ample amount of RAM as well on board. The USP of the phone is that it comes with a metal unibody design, supports fast charging, and has a good set of cameras both in the front and the rear. Now if you didn't like all these 3 options, the last one to choose from is the LG V20. The phone has got a drastic price cut after it was launched at a price of around 60,000 rupees last year. Though the phone still runs Android Nougat, and we have no clue when LG would be upgrading it to Android Oreo, if it anyways will be. But there are many great features about the LG V20 that you won't find on the previous 3 phones. The first thing is that the LG V20 is military grade certified to drops, which means that even if the phone falls from shoulder height, it will not break. Next, the V20 also has dual cameras, which are better than all the 3 phones that I've said above. Second sensor on the phone has a wide angle lens that allows you to capture very creative photographs. And lastly, the phone comes with a quad DAC. Now many of you who are looking for great audio experience would know the value of a quad DAC. It gives you great audio experience irrespective of the headphones you are using. So these were the 4 smartphones you can buy right now in the 25,000 rupee price bracket. Do let us know what you think about all these smartphones and if you have anything to add to the list. Also, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest tech videos like this delivered directly to your inbox. Thank you for watching.